Africa. My name is Moana Bergmaier Masau. I work at the Pacific Community under the Australian Centre for International Agricultural Research Project, coconut and other non-traditional forest resources for the manufacture of engineered wood products. Most common EWP project, or timber project, is plywood. So basically it's a project that is trying to convert old coconut trees into coconut plywood. And my job as an engineered wood technician is to assist, but also I'm very privileged that ACIAR has sponsored and has allowed me to study masters, and they've given me the honor of documenting women's experiences in the forestry sector. Traditional norms or roles have made women be caregivers or nurturers, and therefore majority of women somehow take care of the young nuts. They do the seedlings and keep it alive. So women do play a role because they also make jewelry out of the shells. There's so many different variety of uses, and the women are the ones that are in contact with these natural resources. As a Pacific woman in this project personally, I love the fact that we are now looking at gender. I'm thankful that ACIAR has brought gender into a forestry project. This is actually one of the first projects that we're doing that has gender as a component. And when I say gender, I mean like gender in the Pacific context. Social issues are very context-based. Every village in Fiji is different. Yeah, the structures are similar, but the way the things are done and the way people are doing. And it's also in the Pacific. Like you have Melanesian countries like Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, PNG, and Fiji, but the cultures are so varied and it's such a vibrancy. You cannot have one thing that fits all. Some cultures have, males in roles, and they're the ones owning the land. It's passed down through them. But in some cultures, it's the females that own the land, and then they pass it down through the women. For Forestry and Timber in Fiji is a document that was written from all the gender surveys that was done, and it was beautifully written by Dr. Natalie Jones to create pathways for women to enter the timber sector, but not only enter, stay and remain. And we're trying to see how we can mitigate risks, because sometimes it's a new frontier. Women have traditionally been responsible for, like I said before, the nurseries, the nurturing part, the greenhouse. But when it comes to the logging part or the timber part, when it's cut and harvested, that is a male realm or male domain. So you have women who are interested in forests, interested in working outside, interested in nature conservation and all, and they want to do those jobs. So this strategy is trying to provide opportunities or pathways for those women to come into and stay in the sector.